How to sort the music playlist by custom order, name, or artist on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Then tap on the playlist tab at the top. And then we go down and open up a playlist. Next, tap on this sort button. And then you can choose to sort by name, by artist, or sort by custom order. And then you can tap on the settings icon and here say when we add tracks to the playlist, we can add it to the top of the list or to the bottom of the list. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.